Hey, hello everyone. I have everyday rain here in Miami. It's just abundance and wealth, and I'm happy that we have rain. And I was missing the rain a lot. I am just enjoying, and I am blessed, and I am so grateful being here and having water, the element of the earth, water. It's so important. So me gusta mucho, estoy agradecida por todo. Solamente un mensaje para today. Enjoy life. Be grateful for the small things. My luggage is still lost. So take care and have a wonderful day. I'm enjoying the rain, and I love this abundance. And even if it's dark outside, in my heart it's still warm. Kisses from Miami. Bye.